Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name Amir Hasan Batubara. Here I will explain about the Pematang Siantar City, Grand Mosque. Pematang Siantar Grand Mosque is a mosque of Muslim pride in Pematang Siantar City. Almost every call to prayer, the congregation of crowded to come Allah call. Naturally, the Pematang Siantar Grand Mosque stands strategy in the can of Pematang City. The land of this mosque was a gift from the last king of Siantar, namely King Sangnawalu in 1910. The mosque underwent renovation starting in 1927 with public funds. Permanent construction began to be built with a size of 13 times 13 meters.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Good afternoon, sir, and good afternoon, everyone. My name is Teguh Sulaiman. I will describe about the An-Nur Mosque, Pekanbaru Riau. The Great Mosque of An-Nur, Pekanbaru Riau, is one of the historical attractions in Pekanbaru. The architecture of the Great Mosque of An-Nur is the result of a combination of four cultures, namely Malay, Arabic, Turkish, and Indian cultures. Its magnificent design and resembling the Taj Mahal makes this mosque one of the main tourist destinations, as well as the pride of the people of Pekanbaru. The Great An-Nur Mosque is located on Hang Tuah Street, Sumailang Village, Pekanbaru. The building of the Great An-Nur Mosque has a special philosophy in its dome and minarets. The Great An-Nur Mosque Pekanbaru was built in 1962 and completed in 1968 by an architect named Insinyur Roseno. Thank you, sir. Good afternoon, everyone. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone, good morning. Now I'm at the Great Mosque of An-Nur, precisely of Hang Tuah Street, Sumailang Village, Pekanbaru City. The Great Mosque of An-Nur is one of the magnificent mosque in the city of Pekanbaru. Not only used for worship, this mosque is also a location for religious tourism. Its splendor is quite unique because its architectural design is similar to the Taj Mahal building in India. Seen from the side of the building, there is one large dome in the middle of four small green domes and four towers. This mosque was built in the year 1963 and was complete in the year 1968 and completely renovated in 2000 years ago. With a size of 50 by 50 meters, location in one large yard, namely 400 by 200 meters, the capacity of mosque can accommodate about 4,000 worshippers. The mosque, which was built on two levels, has several facilities. The upper level is specifically for prayer, while at the lower level there is a place for residing, a gathering place for visitors, a mosque secretariat, a mosque youth room, and a class for Islamic education. The Great Mosque of An-Nur Riau is also equipped with a connecting escalator between the first and second floor. This mosque also has a larger yard. The total area is about 12.6 hectares. Green garden around the mosque which pulls the view. Like the front, there is a dead plant. As for the inside of the mosque, it has beautiful Malay carvings. In addition, the inside walls are also decoration with calligraphy. Thank you. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello sir, hello friend. Here I will explain Muslim architecture, one of which is the Shahabuddin Mosque. Shahabuddin Mosque is located in the district Siak, province Riau, Indonesia. It is a relic of the Siak kingdom or the Siak Sultanate. The first time located Sharif Qasim was built 1882 during the reign of Sultan Sharif Qasim I, with a simple architect in made of wood. It was only in 1926 by Sultan Sharif Qasim II that the construction was moved permanent to Sultan Ismail Street on the banks of the Siak River. As for the name, Shahabuddin comes from combination of the words Shah and Din. Shah comes from Persia, words which rural. Ad-Din comes from Arabic, which means religion. So Shahabuddin is a symbol that the Sultan or the kingdom is not only a ruler but also a Jewish ruler. The building area is around 399 square meters. As for the architecture, it's a blend of the Middle East and Malay. This mosque is also a largest education center South Asia and server as of study Islam during the Siak Sultanate. Maybe that's all I can explain what this Shahabuddin Mosque. Thank you for your attention.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Ladies and gentlemen, wherever you are, I am not right of the Bangkinang Islamic Center Mosque. The Islamic Center is one of the religious tourist objects located in the center of campus Citli Nebelin, Bangkinang City. The Islamic Center is one of the favorite destination for visitors from various religions. Islamic Center located and strike Professor Muhammad Yamin. This mosque is now as the icon of the veranda of Mecca in Riau. This mosque was built on an hour of 1.5 stars. The mosque was built in a magnificent and regular middle as architecture style. Okay, thanks. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. I am Dendi Ardiansyah, located in Pekanbaru, precisely at the Great Mosque of An-Nur Pekanbaru, one of the icons of religious tourism that the people of Riau province are proud that this magnificent mosque is located on Hang Tuah Street, Sumahilang Village, Pekanbaru City District, Pekanbaru, Riau Province. Uniquely, brother and sister, the building of this mosque is very similar to the Taj Mahal in India, which is included in the list of 10 wonders of the world. The mosque was built on the levels, has several facilities. The first level is specifically for prayer, while at the lower levels there is a place for reciting, a gathering place for visitors, the secretariat of the mosque. You can see how majestic and attractive this mosque is. Some say that the An-Nur Agung Mosque in Riau Province is the Taj Mahal of Indonesia. Let's look around the mosque. The scenery here is very beautiful. The youth room of the mosque and the class where Islamic education is located. This mosque has a large yard. The total area is about 12.6 hectares. There is a green garden around the mosque. What's cool the view as for the inside of the masjid, it has beautiful Malay carvings. In addition, the insides are also decorated with calligraphy. Well, that's my report greeting. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Nurul Aini, and as this video I want to describe the Great Mass of An-Nur for my exercise English. The Great Mass of An-Nur is one of the historical attractions in Pekanbaru. The architecture of the Great Mass of An-Nur that is result of combinations of four cultures, that namely Turkish, Arabian, Indian, and Malay cultures. Its magnificent design and resembling the Taj Mahal make this mass one of the main tourist destinations as well as pride of the people of Pekanbaru. The Great Mass of An-Nur is located in Hang Tuah Street, Sembayulang Village, Pekanbaru. The building, one of the Great Mass of An-Nur, has a special philosophy. Its dome and minarets. For four minarets in this mass depict the four companions, namely Abu Bakar As-Siddiq, Umar bin Khattab, Utsman bin Affan, and Ali bin Abi Thalib. And five minarets that the and the five domes symbolize the five pillars of Islam, which are the way of life for Muslims. And usually the number of visitors to the Great Mass of An-Nur increase during the holy month of Ramadan. Until here, wabillahi taufiq wal hidayah. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Diva Sonalisa Fitri. I am from the Department of Family Law Day. I am here at the Masjid An-Nur in Pekanbaru. I will explain the Muslim architecture in the An-Nur Mosque. As for the history of the An-Nur Mosque, the Great Mosque of An-Nur Pekanbaru was built in 1962 and completed in 168 by an architect named Insinyur Roseno. Its construction at the time was carried out to concede with the development of other infrastructure in the society of Pekanbaru. The construction period, which was quite long, had in the past two terms of the leadership of the governor of Riau, namely the leadership of the second governor Kaharudin Nasution to the third governor Arifin Ahmad. The Great Mosque of An-Nur was renovated in 2000 to coincide with the leadership of Riau Governor Saleh Jasid. The architecture of the Great Mosque of An-Nur is the result of combination of four cultures, namely Malay, Arabic, Turkish, and Indian cultures. Judging from the building, the design is magnification and resembles the Taj Mahal with a Malay touch. It's clearly seen from the green color, which is the color of the mosque, which adds to the element of Malay culture in the building. Plus making this mosque one of the main tourist destination as well as the pride of the people of Pekanbaru. The building of the Great Mosque of An-Nur has a special philosophy in its dome and minarets. The four minarets in this mosque depict in four companies of the Prophet Muhammad, namely Abu Bakar As-Siddiq, Umar bin Khattab, Utsman bin Affan, and Ali bin Abi Thalib. The struggle of the Prophet Muhammad to spread Islam certainly cannot be separated from the role of his four combination. Meanwhile, the five domes symbol the five pillars of Islam, which are the way of life for Muslim. In addition, this larger of mosque also has a veranda as a community meeting place. In general, mosque do not have a veranda element because the veranda is the hallmark of a Malay style house. On still, the veranda of the mosque can be used to stay in touch before or after worship. Alright.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Good afternoon, everybody. Today I will explain about Muslim architecture, one of Muslim architecture in Bangkinang, Indonesia. So, this is Bangkinang Religious Court was established on 5 May 1960. It's located on Rahman Saleh Street. This building, FYI, this building, its office, its inception did not have a permanent office. So, in carrying out its duties, the Bangkinang Religious Court has several times moved office. So, so this is the third building history of Bangkinang Religious Court. That's all from me. Thank you for watching. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Ismi Hana Hayati. I'm student Winsus Karyau, Family Law Major Class D. Okay, now I'm in Masjid Sultan Ismail Abdul Jalil Jalaluddin Shah.
Hear the night storm young, feel my soul at the fear, throw the dove into arch.
Confession of the Mosque, refer of the discovery of Malay Islam is avoided, and this is the glory of Malay Islam in the past.
Oh yeah, oh yeah.
Sultan Ismail Abdul Jalil Jalaluddin Shah is the sovereign of Yang di-Pertuan Besar Siak, son of Sultan Muhammad. The mosque is located on an area of 1,200 square meter and is funded by the Siak region APBD of more than 6 billion with one year budget. On the 19th of February 2016, the mosque was inaugurated by the Regent of Siak DRS Haji Samsuar MSI. Okay, that's this whole story. Thank you and see you again. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Selamat malam. Di sini saya sedang berada di Masjid An-Nur Pekanbaru. Masjid ini merupakan salah satu masjid yang termegah di Indonesia. Dilihat dari sisi bangunannya, masjid ini banyak mendapat pengaruh dari sisi gaya arsitektur Melayu, Turki, Arab, dan India. Masjid Raya Agung An-Nur salah satu ikon wisata religi yang dibanggakan masyarakat Riau. Masjid yang sangat megah ini terletak di Jalan Hang Tuah, Pekanbaru. Uniknya, bangunan ini sangat mirip dengan Taj Mahal India yang termasuk dalam daftar 10 keajaiban dunia. Selama bulan Ramadan, Masjid Agung An-Nur banyak dikunjungi masyarakat dari berbagai daerah. Pengunjung berwisata sambil beribadah. Terima kasih. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Good afternoon, audience. Welcome to join the next with me, Murni. The next 5 minutes we will bring the hottest news, including Muslim architecture in Pekanbaru. Namely, the Great Mosque of An-Nur. The Great Mosque of An-Nur is the history strikes in Pekanbaru. The architecture of the Great Mosque of An-Nur is the result of combination of four cultures, namely Malay, Arabic, Turki, and India. This magnificent design resembles the Taj Mahal, makes this mosque of the main tourist destination, as will the great people of Pekanbaru. The Great Mosque of An-Nur Pekanbaru was built in 1962 and completed in 1968 by BN architecture number is Ingenieur Rational. A condition of that time, with courage of the which mean developed after structure the great city of Pekanbaru. In the 90 and 16, Pekanbaru City was the district of capital of Riau Province. At the time, number of infrastructure from the roads, office building and restricted area were vacated the city. The construction periods, which were great long, had indeed special two terms of the releases of the girls of Riau, namely the releases of second governor Khairudin Nasution to the first governor Arifin Ahmad. The great mosque of An-Nur was renovated in 2000 to coincide with the leadership of Riau Governor Saleh Jasid. The building of the Great Mosque of An-Nur has a special philosophy in its home and minaret. The four minarets, the four combination of Prophet Muhammad, namely Abu Bakr as-Siddiq, Umar bin Khattab, Utsman bin Affan, and Ali bin Abi Thalib. The circles of the Prophet Muhammad, the spreads Islam, certainly cannot be separate from the roles of these four companions. Meanwhile, the fifth dome is simply the five pillars of Islamic, which are regarded. The Great Mosque of An-Nur is located on Jalan Hang Tua, Sumailang Village, Pekanbaru. This 100 history mosque is very easy to visit because the building is unique and located in the city center. You can visit this mosque by taxi, online taxi, Transmetro, or on foot. Usually, many people and tourists use this team for. However, you must wear police and clothes if you want to visit Great Mosque of An-Nur area. You can easily access the Great Mosque of An-Nur. You stay at Betika Hotel Pekanbaru because this hotel is strategic location at Sultan Syarif Kasim Riau 2 Airport Pekanbaru. When staying Betika Hotel Pekanbaru, you can visit the Great Mosque of An-Nur, shopping at a number of the tourists quickly easily. Viewers of the information at the time indeed of your meeting of audio, I propose that goodbye. Do receive from your patients. Good afternoon. See you later. Fifth of the information at the same time indeed of meeting in our news, I propose say goodbye. Do receive from the kids. Good afternoon. See you later. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.